Mayeni was never playing when she mentioned how she is never taking care of Mseleku when he comes back from the hospital. Girl meant it, and she has the nerve to face Mseleku and tell him to his face that I'm not gonna be nursing you, my honey bunch. Hi everyone, please subscribe and like my videos. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, we know Mayeni, she is very famous for her being blunt. She's a blunt woman who says everything that she feels exactly how she feels it. So girl is still at it. She's not stopping. You'd think after everything that happened to Mseleku, 2 strokes, a stay in the hospital, she would decide that, you know what, let me just go easy on this man and start doing things a bit differently. Like for instance, let me just be gentle with him. No, girl is not doing that. Mseleku is over there sitting with her and they are having a chat, a normal chat, normal day. Nothing is wrong. They sit outside and they have a conversation about a ceremony that's coming, and Mayeni makes sure that she reminds the man, remember when it was me in your position and you said to me, "Hi, don't talk about that. It's me who's going. The only person who's having a party is me. So don't talk about your own situation whereby you had an operation and you come back, you had a near-death experience and you want to, thank God for your no, Mseleku was not having it. So Mayeni is reminding him, do you remember when that happened to me? I felt so bad and it really hurt. Now it's you in that position and you want everybody to come to that party of yours and to be willing participants. In other words, Mayeni is basically saying, do to people what you want done to you. And I totally agree. With people, we don't forget, we don't forgive. We might forgive, but we don't forget. She probably forgave that situation, but she has not forgotten it. And her reminding Mseleku of it may seem a little bit unfair, but it hurt her. In Zwana, we say, mudiri. The person who gets the pain will never forget it. But the person who's doing that to you is the one that forgets what they did to you. So Mseleku as well just needs to reflect, look at himself in the mirror and be a changed man. He basically needs to change his ways because Mayeni is definitely not going to change her ways. She's adamant on showing the man that, you know what, you cannot treat people bad and expect to be treated good. It doesn't happen, honey. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And of course, guys, please kindly subscribe to my new channel and like the video. It's very important to like the video. Mayeni is the queen of trend right now. Everybody's talking about Mayeni and everything that she said throughout the season. From day one that the season came back, she's been talking her mind and she's been saying everything as she feels it. She just, I think this was her therapy, because therapy is when you tell people exactly what you feel. That's what she did with Mseleku. Mseleku has had enough of Mayeni. Surely he has, because he's even mentioning how whenever you talk to Mayeni, things will go to the past and they will take a horrible turn. And I believe him. He'll end up regretting, as he once said, why he had married Mayeni, because Mayeni has turned out to be a different person. And we don't change, Jay, as women. We change because we are changed by the situation either or by the man. That's true. If you're a woman, you know what I mean. Do let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'm out of here. Thanks for coming.